Welcome back. Stenodac Institute has bagged the Brands Academy Education Excellence Award 2013. The award was conferred to the institute as the most promising institute in Goa for job-oriented training courses. The function was held in New Delhi at the prestigious event held by ITC Maurya.
Stenodac Institute received the Brands Academy Education Excellence Award 2013 in New Delhi at the hands of Ed Guru Prahlad Kakkar.
The next award is for the most promising institute in Goa for job-oriented training courses. The winner here is Stenodac Institute for Career Training and Professional Education. I'd like to invite the Director and Principal, Mr. Alirio Saldana, to kindly receive the award. It has been established in 1971. It's a pioneering institute in the state of Goa, training programs including secretarial, office management, computers, travel training, fashion designing, self-improvement, language courses, photography, visual arts, journalism, and much more.
This award not only identifies Stenodac as one of the best industry, but also embodies the institute's commitment to excellence in delivering the best quality and ensuring customer satisfaction. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Some miscreants set fire in a swamp at Tansor in Marga on Sunday. The swamp had partly dry grass which was set on fire in the afternoon. Panic-struck locals called the fire brigade for help. The reason behind the fire is not known. The fire was put off by the fire brigade late in the evening.
The locals from Tansor noticed huge blazes in the swamp on Sunday afternoon. The locals immediately called the fire brigade, but the fire personnel were helpless. It was difficult for the fire brigade to cross the swamp, which made it more difficult to control the blazes. The fire blazed for more than 3 hours in the swamp. There are about 15 houses situated next to the swamp. People were panicky as the fire could reach their houses. Fortunately, there was no property loss due to the fire. The reason behind the fire is not known. The fire was finally doused off late evening by the fire brigade. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
National eligibility cum entrance test was held on Sunday in Goa. Around 840 students answered the NEET. 4 centres across Goa were allotted for students to answer their examination.
8 lakh students are answering this exam. So in Goa, there were 4 centres. One was Don Bosco's, one was KV in Bamboling, and KV1, KV2 in Vasco. 840 students were supposed to appear, but there were 49 that were absent. 59, sorry, not 49, 59 were absent.
Students aspiring to take up professional career in engineering, medical and other such streams prepare themselves for the test. Around 8 lakh students across India had applied for the NEET.
Physics was a bit complicated.
Yeah, another subject.
Bit easy.
It was easier than what we expected, and especially bio, it was quite easy compared to what we had studied.
Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
তুমি পড়িতা Prudent. You're watching Prudent.